First one we're looking at here is UPST. You can see this one gave a green dot back here in April. That came right there at around $41, the same price we're sitting at right now. So this was back in April. Okay, this was, I don't know how many months ago that was, maybe 6, 7 months. This thing popped up from 40 all the way up here to 90, gave you a red dot. That's the sell signal right there at around, I don't know, anywhere between 70 and 80. That was a really nice trade. This thing has really nice earnings. They've been growing their earnings pretty smoothly. You can see they made 213 million about 2 quarters ago, and this quarter they made 277. So that's a $50 million increase in 2 quarters for their revenue. So that's really good. I believe they give out loans. So this is definitely one to watch here. It's given the signal, same signal again we got back there in April. The other one that looks interesting is MOH. MOH is given the weekly, but this thing's just one of the biggest. This is one of the biggest healthcare companies out there. You could see their earnings. They make around, I mean, they're making $11 billion a quarter. They're a massive healthcare company, but they did give a weekly signal here. So if you guys are watching the weekly, we got one right here at 150. It's sold off, and now we're getting another one down here at 146. So you're down about $4 on that. I don't know if that makes sense to average down, but this thing's really beat up. If you think healthcare stocks are going to recover, this could be one to watch. That's MOH. And then the other one is going to be Unity's more of a bullish continuation pattern. It is up against this EMA, but you could see the buy signal right there. So if you were to take this signal, if you were to take this trade here, this is a weekly chart as well. I would just make sure it holds on to that 33 level. You could even move it up to this candle right here at, I don't know, 35, call it $35. You need it to hold that. Okay, as long as the dot is green, we are bullish on the asset. That looks good. We got some other ones here. Reddit looks okay, as long as Reddit can hold on to that 175 level. Again, signal right there. That doesn't look too bad. I like those other three better. And then we got LUMN. Okay, these are all just going off today over in the Discord, by the way. I'm just going over these for you guys here. Some of my favorite signals from today and actually the last couple of days. So LUMN was at 12. It pulled all the way back here to 8. It's bouncing right on the 50% fib line there. That one looks good over 7. Has a buy signal there. Same buy signal it got back here in August. That was what, August 11th? Boom. Gave the signal at $3. Thing went all the way up to 12. Beautiful. That actually reminds me of that RR chart. RR looks really good too. And then we also got Rivian, looks interesting here, trying to gap. I wouldn't take that trade. LLY, this is a bad example of a green dot. We don't want to buy the green dots in the red zone. The red zone's always our take profit. So watch those and watch Donut.